Hi everyone, welcome back to English Sprint. Today we're going to talk about an easy topic. Actually, one sentence and three useful forms. This lesson is important. Actually, it is simple, but it can level up your English, especially the third form of this topic. The last form, I mean. Be with me and we are going to talk about I'm tired, okay, but different forms, and also we are going to use other words in here. Form 1. I'm tired. It's simple, everyone uses, right? You don't have much energy. For example, I'm tired of after work, so it means I don't have much energy. I'm tired because I didn't sleep well. So again, I don't have much energy. So form 2. I'm a bit tired. Okay? I'm a bit tired. It is softer, polite, and less dramatic. So, and also, they don't want to make a big deal out of their tiredness. For example, I'm a bit tired, but I can keep going. So it means softer, gentle, yeah, polite and less dramatic. So you don't want to make your friends, for example, worry about something. I'm a bit tired today. Maybe I need a short nap. So again, you don't want to make a big deal of your out of your tiredness. All right. And the third form and the last form and the most important form here, because if you use this form it seems your English level is C1. All right, I'm exhausted. It means very tired, totally out of energy, and it's a strong, natural, and very common. So most of the time people say I'm exhausted, okay, because they want to sometimes say I'm very tired, I'm totally out of energy. So, and sometimes they want to exaggerate tiredness. I'm exhausted about the trip. So it means that you are totally out of energy. For example, after driving for 5 hours, yeah, actually you are getting exhausted, right? I'm exhausted, I need to rest. Actually, again, you are totally out of energy. So, let's choose the best sentence. Now, it is your turn to think about the answer, right? After 10 hours of work. So, what do you say to your friends? Actually, we say, I'm exhausted. If you answered the question before I tell you the correct answer, that's a great job. Keep going. After a short walk, what do you say? I'm tired. So, because after a short while, you just only want to, actually, you want to show that you're tired. You don't have much energy. When you don't want your friend to worry, what do you say now? Actually, we say, I'm a bit tired. So, use the softer, polite, and less dramatic form. Let's see extra examples, same pattern. I'm hungry, I'm a bit hungry, and I'm starving. Means very hungry. I'm busy, I'm a little busy, I'm slammed. I'm very busy. Actually, for for busy, you can say a little busy. Okay, not a bit, for example. A bit is I'm a bit easy busy. I'm a bit busy. No, actually you say I'm a little busy. I'm cold, I'm a bit cold, and I'm freezing. It means very cold. Right? So, and these were extra examples, and you can use other adjectives. You can comment below and use this pattern or find other adjectives you can use for extreme adjectives like exhausted, starving, slammed, and freezing that you have learned in this video. Comment below and I will tell you is it correct or not. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. Alright, thank you very much guys for watching this video until the end. That was my pleasure to have you in my video again. And if you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and click on the bell to get notified of my other videos. Have a nice day and goodbye.